Hi guys, I'm doing a video about timing chain slack. This is a 4Runner 2005 4.0 liter. I recently rebuilt the engine, and after coupling everything back, I realized that you have this ticking, rattling noise at idling. It's somewhat obvious at idling when the engine is idling, but when you start it at cool, you don't hear anything. But as the engine gets heated up, you tend to hear the noise coming up. So I'm going to replace the timing chain for the camshaft intake and exhaust part of either banks. So if you look at this, the noise was more on this bank 2 here. Take a look at the slack on this chain. See, it's not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be firm. And if you take a look at the adjuster auto tensioner for this chain, you discover that the piston has fully extended. And when you have the shiny part fully extended out, so it's telling that the chain has stretched. Is a stretched chain. I need to replace. This is the noise that I keep hearing when the car is running. And if you look at the other side, this bank, it's a little bit firmer. It's not like the other side of it. See? So that means I'll just replace these two with new original Toyota chains. This one and this. I'd already replaced this already. But before you go ahead, you have to ensure that the timing is okay. You have a timing mark here. The sprocket, the crankshaft sprocket timing point is here. I've marked it as white. It should align with the timing mark here. Now white, so it's white. Everything is lined up top dead center right now. And this one we have for the exhaust camshaft, the sprocket is lined up here with this mark. And the VVTI camshaft, the intake side of it on this one, lined up like this to this. Thank you.